Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. We welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 2, subject max, topic, the concept of fractions. What is fractions? A fraction represents a part of whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction. Half. When we divide something into two equal parts is called a half. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts. When we divide a tomato into 2 equal parts, it is written by half. Number of equal parts and number of parts taken. So 1 by 2 we can say it as number of parts taken and number of equal parts. When one whole is divided into 2 equal parts is a half. Here I am going to tell a few examples of half. When circle is divided into 2 equal parts, we are going to shade and it is written by 1 by 2 because 2 equal parts we have taken and 1 we have shaded. Next, so this we have taken divided into 2 equal parts and triangle we have taken 2 equal parts and again 2 equal parts. So total number of parts 2. So when we are going to divide, when you are going to put fraction, so 1 by 2, so 1 equal parts has to be shaded. This is called 1 by 2, half. And here few more examples of half. Why we are shading only one part? Because it has divided 2 equal parts. So we are going to shade only one. So we saw an examples of half. Now I am going to explain about 1/3. When something is divided into 3 equal parts is called by 1/3 or it is written by 1/3. It is written by 1/3. So when one whole is divided into 3 equal parts, see 1, 2 and 3. So it is at 1/2. See this pizza have divided into 1/3. So 1 by 3rd as written as number of parts taken and number of equal parts. See in the equal parts, 3 parts they have taken here. So 1, 2 and 3. So number of equal parts is 3 and number of parts taken by 1. So only one part we have taken. So 1 by 3. So when one whole is divided into 3 equal parts is called, each part is called 1 by 3rd. So few more examples of 1/3. So look at this rectangle, we have divided into 3 equal parts and we are going to shade 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 instance only one part has to be shaded and again remaining the 2 parts should not shaded. See. So 1/3 of example. When this triangle is divided into 3 equal parts, so 1 equal, all the 3 sides 3 equal divided. So 1, 2 and 3 and this circle as divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3, and again example of 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. We are going to shade 1 by 3. So one part has to be shaded. 1 by 3 instance, only one part has to be shaded. So we can shade any part. So okay, here also we are going to shade 1 by 3. So only one part has to be shaded, either you can shade top or bottom. So only one part has to be shaded. So again 1 by 3 instance you are going to shade any part. So I am going to shade at last part. So 1, so 3 instance, 3 equal parts, and 1 means one part have been shaded. Here again circle. So I am going to shade this side 1 by 3. So we saw the examples of 1/3. Quarter. When you divide something into 4 equal parts is called 1/4 or quarter. Look at this cake. So this cake have divided into 4 equal parts. So the cake has divided into 4 equal parts. So this and 1 by 4 instance. So from 4 equal parts, one part we have taken. So it is written by 1 by 4. So number of parts taken 1, and 4 instance there are 4 equal parts. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So when one whole is divided into 4 equal parts is called 1/4 or quarter. So now we are going to see an examples of quarter or 1/4. See, this circle has divided into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this rectangle has divided into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this triangle has divided into 4 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again this rectangle has divided into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to see an example of quarter or 1/4. This circle has divided into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to shade. And it is written by 1 by 4. So 4 equal parts and one part has been shaded. Now see this triangle. So only one part has to be shaded. So it may be any part. So you can shade this part also. And one by 4. So 1/4 instance 1 by 4. So one part has to be shaded. It may be any part. So now we saw an examples of 1/4 or quarter. So in fraction we have half, 1/3 and 1 by 4 quarter. So that's all children. I hope you have understood about the fractions. To receive our online lessons, Please press the subscribe button and you will receive our latest updates. Thank you.